between 5 to 10 years and are now desperate for any job opportunity to improve their living conditions.
I've got one son, yes. I'm unemployed, I think for 4 to 5 years now. So I need a job. I just want a job, yes.
I was like unemployed for almost about 10 to 11 years without working. I was working partly for a taxi driver.
Some of the beneficiaries of the NASISPANI are grateful for the opportunity to gain a skill and work experience. But it is clear that more still needs to be done to address youth unemployment in the province.
Started at Kelumagoreni. I am currently working as a porter in a hospital, and the training I had to undergo was how to communicate with people and how to be in a public servant and how to help patients.
What we do in the morning when I come at my work, there's something we call sluice. It's a dirty linen from theater, labor. So what we do, we clean the clothes. There's a place called Damswart. We take it to that place, they wash it. They come deliver the clean ones. So what we do, we issue the hospital with new clothing for the patients.
Meanwhile, Gauteng Premier Panyaza Lesufi has set yet another ambitious task to tackle unemployment in the province. He's vowed to use the NASISPANI initiative to create over 40,000 job opportunities for young people.
The government that I have the honor to lead, together with all our municipalities, we are on a hunt to get 45,000 unemployed people in the next 2 months. We hope and wish you'll be amongst the 45,000.
Successful applicants will receive training and 2-year contracts to work at Gauteng's hospitals and municipalities.